Hi everybody, I'm Victor Brick and welcome to today's Fit Tip, Eating for Energy. We're here in Sydney, Australia. Lynn and I are here and we're in Darling Harbour. Vic and John are here with us. We're presenting in that convention hall right behind you for PHILAX, which is the Australian Fitness Convention. Lynn and I are doing some presentations. And as you can imagine, when we arrived, we were a little fatigued, a 20-hour flight. We had to get up early. We've been on the go ever since. And what I'm going to talk about today is eating for energy. And the tendency when you travel or when you're busy is to try to eat healthy, and you try to eat healthy by eating a lot of fruit. A lot of people try to eat a lot of fruit and they're on the go. They eat some cereal and they eat some light carbohydrate. In reality, what you need to do to eat for energy, you really need to make sure you include some carbohydrate with your protein with your breakfast. And protein, of course, is the hardest thing to get, especially when you're traveling. Like I said, you think you're eating healthy when you eat fruit, but fruit has a lot of sugar in it, and sugar, of course, breaks down very quickly in the bloodstream, as does carbohydrates, so you get this little bit of energy kick, and then you begin to run out of energy very, very quickly. So you want to eat protein to slow down your conversion of food to fuel, and the easiest thing to eat when you're on the go. You can eat eggs, you can eat cottage cheese, and you can eat low-fat, plain yogurt, and usually you will find that. We found that in the hotel, we found that in the breakfast meetings that we go to. Cottage cheese, low-fat cottage cheese, plain yogurt, or eggs. And remember, when you eat the eggs, eat the total egg. So there you have it, eating for energy. Make sure you eat some protein, slows down the metabolism of your food, and gives you more of a steady stream of energy through the course of the morning. Now, if you enjoyed this Fit Tip, feel free to pass it on to a friend. We'd also enjoy your comments. You can hit the send us your comments using the form below, and if you'd like a copy of this Fit Tip or past Fit Tips or text versions, you can go to www.brickbodies.com. Now, we close every Fit Tip with a joke for the day, and the joke for today is, what happens to a frog that parks illegally? What happens to a frog that parks illegally? It gets towed. Until we meet again, see you at 100 years, that is.